Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're taking a look at a powerful productivity upgrade for your laptop, the Plugable USB-C Triple Monitor Docking Station UD-ULTCDL, a versatile 13-in-1 docking hub designed to transform your laptop into a full desktop workstation. One of the biggest highlights is its triple monitor support. With 3 HDMI ports, you can connect multiple displays for multitasking, productivity, and content creation. The main display supports up to 4K resolution at 30 Hz, while the other two monitors support up to 1080p at 60 Hz, giving you plenty of screen space for work or streaming. The dock also delivers up to 100W USB-C power delivery, which means it can charge your laptop while connected, eliminating the need for a separate power adapter on your desk. There's also an additional 20W USB-C port on the front that can charge phones or accessories. Connectivity is another strong point. This 13-in-1 docking station includes 4 USB-A ports, USB-C, Gigabit Ethernet, SD card reader, and audio output, allowing you to connect keyboards, external drives, network cables, and more from a single hub. Compatibility is broad as well. The dock works with Windows, macOS, and ChromeOS laptops using USB-C, USB 4, or Thunderbolt connections. Mac users will need to install the DisplayLink driver to enable multiple external displays. Overall, the Plugable UD-ULTCDL docking station is a powerful and reliable solution if you want triple monitor support, fast laptop charging, and a wide range of connectivity options, perfect for remote work, creative setups, or productivity-focused desks. If you want to grab it for the best price, make sure to click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.